The graves are still fresh. People laid to rest here have not been gone long. The third wave of COVID-19 in South Africa has been the grim reaper the country was not ready for. All of the graves here, and there are hundreds of them, were dug in the last few weeks, really, in the months of June and July. Most of the people buried here are victims of COVID-19. The managers of this burial estate say they've been conducting up to 10 funerals a day. At this dialysis clinic in the western part of Johannesburg, the beds in this ward are unusually empty.
This is a busy center. We close around 7 to 8, but of late we are now closing at 2 because a lot of people really did succumb to the virus. Unfortunately, because our patients are immunocompromised, we lost quite a lot of them. When you look around, you realize, wow, so many people are gone.
South Africa's healthcare system has been overwhelmed as the Delta variant, first detected in India, has dominated new infections here. Many sick people have been turned away from hospitals.
A lot of hospitals were struggling, so we ended up getting calls as a dialysis center, which is not actually supposed to deal with COVID people, getting calls from people all over Johannesburg asking us to assist with oxygen, including our own patients. So we tried to assist those that we could, but we literally couldn't assist everybody. So what we did then is that we're giving oxygen to those who are literally gasping for air.
All the clinical staff in the hospital.
Frontline healthcare workers have not been spared. Dr. Naledi Guam works at a public psychiatry hospital. She's just recovered from COVID-19, but some of her peers have not been as lucky.
A lot of healthcare workers have passed on. A lot have needed long-term hospitalizations. You know, I myself contracted COVID at some point. Luckily, mine was not so severe. You know, I was able to take out my symptoms at home, but not everyone is as lucky. The third wave came and it was a proper wave. It was just like a tsunami wave.
The third wave has been South Africa's darkest hour yet in the coronavirus pandemic. It's forced the government to close schools, ban all public gatherings, and prohibit the sale of alcohol. And in a country with so much poverty already, the measures are having a devastating economic impact.